Hi, good morning children. This is Somraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, today our topic is functions. Functions topic. Okay, 2025 January session problems with solutions. Okay, listen carefully. This is very important session. Okay, first one for question number 1. Let step x the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then the domain of f of x is equal to secant inverse of 2 into step x plus 1 is, first option is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity minus 0. Okay, second option is equal to minus infinity to minus 1 closed interval union 0 closed interval to infinity. Third option is equal to minus infinity to minus 1 closed interval union 1 to closed interval 1 to infinity. Fourth option is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. What is the range of secant inverse x? What is the range of secant inverse x? Secant inverse x range. What is the range of secant inverse x? Okay, this is the secant inverse x. Okay, range of secant inverse x it belongs to, what is the range? This is minus 1. This is minus 1 to minus infinity open interval union. This is closed interval 1 to plus infinity. This is the range. This is the range of the secant inverse x. Means this is minus 1 to minus infinity, means this is the less than, this part also less than of minus 1, and this is the greater than of 1, means here right, this is the 2 mod 2 step of x plus 1 less than or equal to minus 1. This is one case. Next another one equal to 2 into step x plus 1 is the greater than or equal to 1, these two cases, solve these two cases. Okay, this is one, also take this side, means 2 into step of x less than or equal to minus 2. Okay, here 2 get cancelled, means step of x less than or equal to minus 1. Step of x less than or equal to minus 1 means step of x is less than or equal to minus 1, means this is minus 1 equal to and this is negative of minus infinity. Suppose this is the minus infinity open interval comma, this is minus 1 step of minus step of x is equal to minus 1, means this is 0 also open interval, this is the x belongs to this one, okay, this one. Next another one equal to the here take this side, means 0. Okay, 2 into step of x greater than or equal to 1 get cancelled, means this is the 0. Okay, this is the step of x greater than or equal to here 0. Okay, here step of x greater than or equal to 0, means this is including 0 to infinity, this is infinity open interval, this is the x belongs to. Okay, 0 to including 0 to infinity, this is the including, this is the excluding 0. Okay, what is the total answer equal to x belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the, what is this one? This is the domain of this function secant inverse of 2 into step x plus 1. Which option is the correct? This one, which option is the correct? Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct answer. Okay, understand? Okay, this is the question number 2. Let f of x is equal to log x base a and g of x is equal to x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2 by 2x square minus 2x plus 1. Then the domain of the f of g of x is, first option is equal to r minus set of 0. Next 2 second option is equal to 0 comma infinity. Third option is equal to minus infinity to minus 1 closed interval. Fourth option is equal to r. What is the given function? Given function equal to f of x. This is the f circle of g of x. This is the f circle of g of x, means f of g of x equal to, what is the f of g of x equal to log, what is the base e, x plus equal to, this is right here. Okay, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2 by 2x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, the logarithm function is greater than 0. This part equal to greater than 0. X power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2 by this is 2x square minus 2x plus 1. This is the greater than 0. Log a part equal to greater than 0. Here downside part, what is the downside part? This is simplify this one, 2x square minus 2x plus 1. Here a greater than, okay, a is equal to, what is the a value? A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 greater than 0. A is greater than 0. What is the delta value? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. 4 minus 4 into 2 into 1 equal to 4 into 2 into 1 means minus 4. This is the less than 0. Okay, delta is less than 0. As a is the greater than 0. This is the positive expression. Positive expression. This is the positive expression. This is the positive expression means next numerator also. Check the numerator. This is the positive. The greater than means this is also positive and this is also guarantee positive. Okay, check once here. Okay, check once. Here x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2. Okay, minus 2. This is the plus 2x. Plus 2x also is there in the question. Plus 2x. Okay, this is plus 2x plus 3x square question. 3x square plus 3x square plus 2x minus 2. 3x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 2. Minus 2x plus 2. These are also minus 2x plus 2. 3x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, here also minus 2x plus 2. Okay, minus 2x plus 2. Here also minus 2x plus 2. Here also minus 2x plus 2. Okay, here minus 2x plus 2. What is the common here? X square is the common here. X square is the common means x power 4 x square. Here x square is the common means 2x plus 2. Okay, next here 1 is the common means here also x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, what is the common? Next common equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. The common means this is also x square plus 1. X square plus 1. This is right as a square minus 2ab plus b square right here. X square minus 2x plus 1. This is also plus 1. Okay, this is also plus 1 into this is the x square plus 1. X square plus 1 means this is the positive value. This is the positive value x square and plus 1 means this is the positive greater than 0. Next this is right as x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square plus 1. This is also positive value greater than 0. Totally positive expression. Totally this is the totally positive expression. This is also totally positive expression. This is also positive and this is also positive. Okay, totally positive expression means what is the domain? What is the domain? Domain is real number. Okay, this is the rational numbers. Domain is rational numbers. Okay, this is the option 4 is correct. Okay, totally positive means what is the value of this one means this is the minus infinity to plus infinity. What is the domain? This is the minus infinity to plus infinity is the domain. Okay, x belongs to this one. This is the okay, this is question number 3. Number of functions f 1, 2, 3 up to so on 100 to 0, 1 that assign 1 to exactly one of the positive integers less than or equal to 98. Okay, less than or equal to 98. Okay, here is equals to what? Means 1 to 98. Here 1 to 98. Okay, how many functions? Okay, by using 1. Okay, 1 only. 1 only. By using 1 only. Here 1 to 98 functions. So how many functions are formed here? 98 functions. 98 functions formed. Next another one remaining also 99, 100. 99, 100 by using 0, 1. Okay, 0 to how many values are there? 2 values. Okay, 2 possible values, 0 to 99 and 0 to 100. 0 to 99 and 0 to 100. Okay, 2. Next 1 to 99 and 1 to 100. Okay, 2 values. This is also 2 into 2. Okay, total functions. What are the total functions? Okay, asking what is the number of functions only. Okay, how many functions are there? Total functions equal to 98 into 2 into 2 equal to 98 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 36 means 39. 392 is equal to the number of functions. 392 option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay, understand this one. Copy this one. Okay, this is the question number 4. Let S is equal to n union 0. Define the relation of the R from S to R by R is equal to relation of x comma y log y base e x into log base e 2 by 5 x belongs to S, y belongs to R. Then the sum of the all elements in the range of the R equals to. What is the summation? Asking the summation. What is the given that here? Given that log y base e equal to x log base e 2 by 5. Okay, x take the side means log base e log y base e equal to log e 2 by 5 whole power x. Okay, log e both are cancel. Y is equal to 2 by 5 whole power x. 2 by 5 whole power x. Okay, what is the value of x? Set. Okay, x belongs to S. That implies set of this one x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to so on values. Okay, here what is the x value? X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. What is the y value? Y is equal to 2 power 5 whole power 0 equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay, next another one equal to x is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. No, that implies y is equal to 2 by 5. Next x is equal to 2. X is equal to, that implies y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 by 5 whole square. Next x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. That implies y is equal to 2 by 5 whole power 3. Okay, what is the series? This is the one. Okay, what is the series? Series is equal to, first one equal to x is equal to 0 means 1 comma series s is equal to series 1 plus series equal to 1 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 whole square plus 2 by 5 whole cube plus so on up to infinity. Okay, summation of GP series S infinity, series of S infinity series. Okay, what is the formula? A by 1 minus R formula. What is the A value? A is equal to 1. Okay, 1 minus R is equal to 2 by 5. R is equal to 2 by 5. S infinity, summation of the S infinity is 1 by 5 into 1, 5 minus 2 by 5. Okay, equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is correct answer. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay. Okay, question number 5. Let f maps r minus 0 to r be the function such that f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x equal to 35 by x minus 5 by 2 if the limit extends to 0, 1 by alpha x plus f of x is equal to beta. Limit extends to 1 by alpha plus x plus f of x equal to beta. Okay, alpha comma beta belongs to r, then alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 0. Alpha plus 2 beta is equal to what? Okay, this is asking the question. Options, first option is equal to 4, second option is equal to 3, third option is equal to 5, fourth option is equal to 6. Okay, what is the given function? This is the function. Okay, functional equations problem. This one is called functional equation problem. Okay, f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x equal to 35 by 3x minus 5 by x. This is equation 1. Replace of x plus to 1 by x right here. X plus equal to 1 by x right here. Here 1 by f of 1 by x minus 6 into x plus is equal to 1 by x means 6 into f of x equal to, here x plus is equal to 1 by x means 35x by 3. Here x plus is equal to 1 by x means 5x. This is the 5x. Okay, 5x plus is equal to 1 by x means that is the 5x. Okay, this is the f of 1 by x. This is the minus 6 f of x. Okay, this is multiplied with 6. Here multiplied with 6. Here multiplied with 6 means 6 into f of 1 by x equal to 6 into f of 1 by x. 6 into f of 1 by x. 6 into f of 1 by x minus 6 into 6 36 minus 36 f of x equal to, okay, 6 into means 2 times cancel. This is the 70x. Okay, 5 6 are 30 minus 30x. Okay, this is 70x minus 30x. Okay, this is the 35 by x plus equal to 1 by x means this is 35 means that is 70x. Okay, 5 by x plus is equal to 1 by x means this is the 5x. Correct only. 5 by 2 this one. You are right, 5 by 2. Sorry, this one, this is the 5 by 2. Means 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2 means here multiplied with 5 by 2 means what is this one? This is the 5 by 2 only, not x. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 multiplied with 6 means 3. This is the 15. Only 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 70 minus 50. It has, okay, this is the, take this side only. Okay, both are addition. Both are addition means, here write this one. 30, 6 6 are 36. That is the, this is the 6. Okay, this is equation 1 and 2. This is the equation 2. Equation 2. Okay, both are subtraction or addition. Both are addition. Equation 1 plus 2. Equation 1 plus 2. That implies equation 1 equal to, write this one equal to minus, this is right as 36 35. Okay, right. Okay, this is right, f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x equal to 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2. 35 3x minus 5 by 2. Okay, here f of x is equal to minus 6 into f of x minus 6 into f of x. This 1 by x is equal to 1 by f of 1 by x, f of 1 by x. Okay, this is the 6 into f of 1 by x. 6 multiplied with this one means so 6 into 1 by f of x. Here 6 into 1 by f of x. This is the 36. This is 36. 36 minus 36 minus 36 f of x. Okay, next here this is the 70x equal to 70x minus 15. Okay, both are addition. Both are addition means this is minus 35 f of x minus 35 f of x. These both are cancel. Equal to 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2 plus 70x minus 15. 70x minus 15. Okay, simplify this one. What is the f of x value? Here right, this is divided to 35 means these are both are simplify. After that divided 35 equal to minus 35 into f of x equal to 35 by 3x minus, okay, this is the 70x plus 70x. Next this is the minus 5 by 2. This is minus 15. Okay, 2 into 15 30. This is the 35 minus 35 by 2 minus 35 by 2 minus 35 by 2. Okay, divide with minus 35. Okay, you get the f of x value. F of x is equal divided to 35 minus 35 means minus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 3x. Next this is divided minus means minus 2x minus 2x. Next minus 35 is the cancel means minus into minus cancel means this is the 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the f of x value. This is the f of x value. What are they given that here? Limit extends to 0 1 by alpha x plus f of x is equal to beta. Okay, given that limit extends to 0 1 by alpha x plus f of x 1 by alpha x plus f of x equal to beta. What is the f of x? This is the f of x plus right here. Limit extends to 0 1 by alpha x plus f of x is equal to minus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 3x. This is minus 1 by minus 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, right here x tends to 0 means 1 by 3. X is suppose alpha is equal to minus 3 means both are cancel. Both alpha is equal to minus alpha is equal to 3 means both are cancelled. Here alpha is equal to 3. Okay, here this is equal to beta. This is equal to beta. Total equal to beta means here 0 total parts is equal to 0. Limit extends to 0 means beta is equal to what? Beta is equal to 1 by 2. Beta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is the beta value is equal to 1 by 2. Alpha is equal to 3. Alpha is equal to 3. What is asking the question? Alpha plus 2 beta value. Okay, alpha plus 2 beta is equal to what? Alpha plus 2 beta equal to, here right, alpha plus 2 beta equal to alpha is equal to 3 plus beta is equal to 1 by 2. Beta is equal to 1 by 2 means this is the 2 into beta. Beta is equal to 1 by 2. 2 ones cancel equal to option answer 4 is correct. Answer 4 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay, copy this one. Okay, this is Somaraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, go to my channel and check my channel and use the each and every problem to the practice each and every problem. Okay, share your friends and like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for your watching. Thank you.